Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a quote on Jobber. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Jobber account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on quotes. After selecting quotes, you'll be redirected to this dashboard and you're going to tap on new quote in the top right-hand corner. After selecting new quote, right where you see quote for client name, you're going to tap right there and you're going to input the client name if you had created a client before, or you can tap on create new client. From here you can input the client's first and last name and also enter in their contact information, and you could also scroll down and add the lead source, and you can also put in their property details. Then you'll tap on create client. After you have created the client, you can also choose to create a property for that particular client if you want. Once you are finished, you'll scroll down. From there, you can also add the job title. So I'm just going to type in test for example sake and scroll down, and this is where you'll be able to add the product. So you can tap on name and you could search for a product. You can search the suggested products right there, or you can add in your product. So for example, I'm going to add in a test product, and you can see add products and services, and this is where you'll be able to choose whether it is a service or a product. Then you can put the name, description, and also the cost. So let's say $100. Let me put that in right here. So $100. After doing that, you can scroll down. You could also put in the image right here if you want, and you can tap on create. After you have created your product, you can scroll down and you can see it right there, estimated margin, and you can see the required amount. Let me change that real quick. So I'm going to put the units. So let's say 2 units, and you can put unit costs. So let's say the unit cost is $100, and you can see the amount right there. After adding in the information, all you'll need to do now, you can scroll down and you could add a client message. You can also add a contract disclaimer, and you can also add any internal notes you'd like to send to your team. Once you're finished doing that, you'll tap on select client at the bottom of the page, and we're going to select this client. After selecting the client, after you have entered in the client information, you'll tap on save and then from there you can choose to send as text message, send as an email, or you can mark as waiting. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful.